Assalamualaikum everyone and welcome to the platform of Pharmapedia Academy with the new video of the CNS drug extracting the concept of medical with RPH FIA. With this message, it's not a big deal to write 1,000 words of prescription, but it's nearly impossible to tell about the one effective remedy. For being on point, you first have to clear your concept of the medicine. As a pharmacist, it is your responsibility to prescribe the rational drug. So let's begin the video with the antipsychotic drugs, typical and atypical antipsychotics. I am going to share the link of this article in the description box, so go and check this article to clarify your concepts. Antipsychotic drugs, also known as the neuroleptic and major tranquilizers. Schizophrenia, delusion, hallucination, thinking, or speech disturbance. This is the characteristic features or the symptoms of the schizophrenia. So in this condition, we use the first generation antipsychotic and the second generation antipsychotic. Now first we talk about the first generation antipsychotic, conventional, typical and traditional antipsychotic, which are the competitive inhibitor of various receptor, and it block the D2 receptor. Now the second generation antipsychotic, atypical antipsychotic, have less extrapyramidal symptoms and effect than the first generation antipsychotic. It is a more efficacious and used in the clinical practice. Now if we talk about its mechanism of action, it blocks the dopamine receptor in the brain, it blocks the serotonin receptor in the brain. Refractory patient, 20% patient do not respond first and second generation drugs. Clozapine effective but have the major side effects of the bone marrow suppression and the severe side effect, etc. So if we talk about this action, antipsychotic action reduce hallucination, delusion, which are the main characteristic features of the schizophrenia, and negative symptoms, anhedonia, not getting pleasure from the normal stimulus, apathy, impaired attention. So extrapyramidal symptoms are dystonia, which means sustained contraction of muscle, akathisia, motor restlessness, talkative dyskinesia, involuntary movement of the tongue, lips, neck, trunk and limbs, antiemetic, anticholinergic, and all these due to the blockage of the dopamine receptor, prolactin elevation with second generation, and sexual dysfunction. Now if we talk about this therapeutic effect, it is used for the treatment of the schizophrenia, obviously prevention of the drug induced nausea. Chlorpromazine used to treat the hiccups, promethazine treat the pruritus, pymoside treat the Tourette disorder, and risperidone and haloperidol treat the tic disorder. Now if we talk about its side effects, so its major side effects are extrapyramidal symptoms, anticholinergic side effects, galacturia, amenorrhea, infertility, impotence, caution and precautions in seizure patients, and agranulocytosis with clozapine, so limit its use. So that's all with these antipsychotic drugs in the CNS session. So inshallah meet with the new topic, that is CNS drug, in the next video. Till that, take care. Allah Hafiz.